Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in ES6, handle a fulfilled promise with then. Promises are most useful when you have a process that takes an unknown amount of time in your code, something asynchronous. Often a server request. When you make a server request, it takes some amount of time and after it completes, you usually want to do something with the response from the server. This can be achieved by using the then method. The then method is executed immediately after your promise is fulfilled with resolve. Here is an example. My promise dot then and whatever result we got then pass it in the body to perform any operation. Result comes from the argument given to the resolve method. Let's see the task for this challenge. Add the then method to your promise. Use result as the parameter of its callback function and log result to the console. So we have made a new promise, make server request, and we will use make server request dot then, and in then we will pass result inside then, and then arrow, and in body we will console dot log result. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.